Hello, and welcome to this guide on how to take care of your dog. In this guide, me, your host, will be talking about what your dog needs on a daily routine. Hope you enjoy and maybe learn something too. There are 5 important points you need to follow to have a happy and healthy canine. Food and fresh water, walks, activation, playtime and socialization. Or you can use FAPS for short. Let's start off with food and fresh water. Follow me. Oh jeez, you're a fast one. Anyways, here's some food and water. Doesn't look very fresh, right? It's very important that you change your dog's water every single morning, or else you risk your dog getting sick. Make sure to also clear out the food bowl from yesterday's food, so the dog doesn't need to eat old food. Like, who wants to do that? This is how it should be. Right here. Much better, don't you think? Next stop at the list is walks. Exercise for you and your 4-legged friend. And yes, it's as easy as it sounds. You just walk your dog. As a professional, I advise you to walk your dog about 2 to 3 times a day. Preferably in the woods, because that's their natural habitat. And remember to pick up the poop after you. And now activation. Activation is both easy and fun for your furball. All you need to do could be to put some treats in a play ball or throw treats over the lawn. There are many ways on how to activate your dog. Just make sure you don't overstimulate him or her, because if you do so, your dog will probably get stressed. Neither can it be understimulated either. An understimulated dog can develop problems in its behavior. Such problems could be, for example, tearing up couch pillows and non-stop barking. When it's time to play with your dog, there are several games you can do. One thing you could do is play tug-of-war, or maybe throw a stick. You could maybe invite a neighborhood dog over for a playtime. Just make sure that the size of the dogs aren't too big of a difference, or else they might hurt each other. And finally, the last point on the list, socialization. When giving your dog the social training it needs, it could be as simple as, instead of taking a walk in the woods, taking one in the city. Social training is very important, otherwise your dog will get very nervous around strangers and crowded areas. And remember that your dog doesn't actually need social training every single day. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this short video guide on how to have a happy and healthy canine. See you in the next video guide / documentary.